crazy.
The new EOS Toasted Marshmallow.
Get on in the car, Greg. Jay, y'all taking forever. Come on.
Like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, time.
Happy Sunday. Me and Mama about to go get something to eat. Hi, Ma.
Hey.
How are you?
All right.
Looking cute.
Thank you.
Let me see your outfit. Oh. Okay. Oh, give it to him. Mm-hmm. We're about to go to Texas Roadhouse, so come along. Alright, after a little wait, we're here. What? Don't let it blow your wig away.
Girl, I gotta put some that tuck.
And this is how it looks. They look so good, y'all. So I'm about to...
Okay, I'm gonna do the salmon. That's what I feel like today. So I got the salmon, string beans. It came with like a rice pilaf. And then I got a sweet potato. And apparently the sweet potato comes with marshmallows. Delicious. Mama got catfish, baked potato. Looks yummy.
Alright, we're at Walmart. And I just need a couple of things. I do know I need toothpaste. Let's see. I think it's this one. Oh no, it's this one. It's $12 for a two-pack and $6.97. So, yeah, it's cheaper to get this one. So I'll get that one. I need some Vaseline. I ran out. Okay, they got the new EOS Toasted Marshmallow. So I want to smell it and see how it smells. It might just be like another vanilla scent. Sorry about that. Oh, this right there. Yeah, it don't smell no different than the other one, but you do notice the cap right. They heard the complaints, y'all. Do they have the... Oh, they do have the spray. Let's see. It don't smell no different than the pistachio or the vanilla. Well, the pistachio smells a little different, but the vanilla, cashmere, it don't smell no different than that. Yeah, it's not that big of a difference for me to be like, oh, I'm gonna spend $30. So we're gonna put that right. She's just cruising. It ain't going nowhere. All right, needed some more carbonated water, so I got mandarin orange, peach, and cherry lemonade. I was gonna say cran apple for some reason. I just need a couple of things. I don't need anything major. I felt like I needed some more snacks, so I got some vanilla yogurt, and I got this trail mix. I also got these baked Lay's. These are so good. It's roasted garlic and herbs. Delicious. And then I need some, I want some salad, and I need some sweet potatoes. And that's honestly it. I said now I'm gonna start shopping for food maybe like 2 or 3 days at a time, because I be letting stuff I let stuff tend to go bad, and that's a waste of money. So that's what I'm gonna start doing. So let's go to the vegetable area. I do want some sherbet. This is my favorite kind ever, and it's fat free. They don't have any small sizes, so I'm gonna get this one, this cranberry kale. This is 2 servings, yeah. So this will last for 2 days. Ish. I realized I need some onion powder, so I got some more of that. And then I also realized I ain't had no eggs, so now I had to go all the way to the back to get the eggs. Do y'all still check y'all eggs? My mama taught me that a long time ago, so checking eggs is a must for me. Do I want some juice? No, I'm gonna stick to plain. I don't really drink juice like that, but no, I won't give them drink some water. And then I want to stop and see if they have any of the little broccoli frozen things that I be getting there. I like mock hash browns, and then I'm ready to go. I need to see my mom that she rolling around here somewhere. Instead of the pudding, I think I'm gonna just do this yogurt instead. Yes, I'm gonna put this back. Need some more turkey sausage. I think I have turkey bacon at home, but I'm not sure, but I'm gonna get these just in case. They didn't have the ones that I normally get, so these will do. And that's all. And I'm gonna get some grapes. That's the one thing I forgot. I don't get these. Okay, making sweet potatoes. So sweet potatoes, so I just rinsed them off. So I'm gonna cut them in half.
Not even a small creator, actually. 303. The Sushi Dragon
I should have got some smaller
has
ones.
a lot of crazy tech stuff he be doing. Bro, this guy is insane. Like, this nigga, he's literally Tony Stark, bro.
Photos, but that, why?
Like, I don't know how he does it, bro. He's a tech wizard, bro. Honestly, he's a tech wizard, and he's really good. He's really good.
Dang.
Okay, so the Sushi Dragon.
Cut it too
If you
small.
want to see this, welcome to Shumi University 2026. This lineup is kind of crazy already, but let's see who we got.
Or
3,
maybe not.
2.
I'm watching Casanat announce
Oh my God.
who's gonna be in Streamer University.
Ludwig is also a professor. This is a stacked. This is a really, really stacked lineup. Ludwig is
there we
also
go.
a professor.
And I'm using my phone. My screen protect is cracked. Ignore.
Lineup. Okay? W Ludwig in the chat. W Ludwig in the chat. Stop teasing. Oh, my bad. W Ludwig in the chat. Spam W's chat. Spam W's, dude. Hold on. YouTube, y'all good? I believe YouTube is good. Oh my God, we have 300K on YouTube. Yo, there's 300 people, there's 300,000 people on YouTube. Yo, what's up, YouTube? How y'all doing? Welcome to MGM. You know, I know it's been goddamn 4 years, and I've only streamed on Twitch, but now we're on both, okay? Twitch say hi to YouTube. YouTube say hi to
There we
Twitch.
go. That one went better.
We got
And it came out really cute.
Now,
All right, I'm gonna be seasoning the potato with this Splendor brown sugar blend. I have avocado oil. I have some honey, cinnamon, and some vanilla extract. I didn't have parchment paper, but I have these air fryer liners, so we're gonna use that. And I have already preheated the oven. I didn't have to make this many. What that means, I'm gonna be eating them for the next couple days for lunch and dinner. Okay, now keep in mind, this is my first time. All right, then we're gonna do, let's do the honey. I don't know. Then we'll do the vanilla extract. I don't know how this is gonna work. All right, now let's do our cinnamon. And then we're gonna do the sugar. Well, let me show y'all what they look like. Yummy. I don't know if this is right, but this is my first time, so give me some grace, y'all. So let's put these on the pan. Okay, this is how they look. So I'm gonna flip them over and see what we got. And this is how it looks. They look so good, y'all. So I'm about to put that in this bowl. I have Brussels sprouts and chicken. These are Kinder's Brussels sprouts. I can't wait to try those. And that's just some diced grilled chicken. But these sweet potatoes, though. I feel like the stuff didn't stay on them, but hopefully they got a good taste. Delicioso. Oh, that looks so good, y'all. Okay, let me taste it. All right, here goes nothing. It's delicious. Let me taste this Brussels sprout. Sweet potato is delicious, okay? Brussels sprouts, banger. Chicken, banger. I did that. Cleaned the bowl, okay? Morning, y'all. We're about to head out the house. I'm gonna go get my hair done. 2-piece from Torrid. Got on my little Louis slides and got my little Louis bag. These are my everyday bag and sandals, y'all. But I'm running late, so we got to go. So come on, y'all. Get on in the car. Great. Jay, y'all taking forever. Come on. Shit, that one right on up, okay?
right on up.
Okay, I am at Pont City Market in Atlanta because I'm about to go see Bruce at City Winery. Face speed. Close to the fridge.